Exfoliative cytopathology is an easily performed, non-invasive and inexpensive procedure to screen for pre-invasive and invasive cancer cells. The incidence of cervical cancer has decreased by more than 50% in the past 30 years. That's mainly due to the increased use of a cytopathology screening called Papa-Nicolau test, better known like Pap-test. It involves exfoliating cells from cervix and smearing them on a glass slide. To examine them under a common microscope, the smeared biological sample must anyway be fixed and stained. And if not well performed, these procedures will compromise test results. On the right side, you can see a typical Pap test result, as obtained after more than an hour-long preparation protocol. On this blog post, we want to challenge our 3D Cell Explorer to produce, without any staining and in real time, good results for a Pap test screening. Are you curious to see our results? On the left panel is represented the refractive index map in 2 dimensions. On the right, you can see the digital staining panel based on refractive index that we used. Applying the staining panel, you have the 3D reconstruction as obtained with our software Steve. Could you recognize each cell type inside the sample? Comparing them with their typical aspect, we can recognize easily bacteria, hunted by neutrophils, moving among normal cervical cells. Applying the same digital staining on another acquisition, we can repeat the cell differentiation, and you can see again the main actors of a typical inflammatory condition. The traditional diagnosis of the same sample coming from a medical doctor took 2 weeks and confirmed our hypothesis. Normal cervical element with a mild inflammation. Wouldn't you prefer to get your results in a couple of seconds?